man them off your waistline and can walk and make a man feel good.
I shot it once again for the girl, let me know.
Baby!
Hey, girl, what's our?
Hey!
What's our can double up same time?
Hey!
What's our?
Support the bar!
Equals for the girl, I'm getting up.
New York!
What's our can do? What's our? Hey, that you know ugly like Frankenstein. Hey, love how you bubble up.
Easy there, man.
Time back it up and I'm an umbrella. What's our like you think I squeeze you? A tight one and make me need you. You have a flop belly.
What's a man afraid of pum pum? All the man them who afraid of pum pum.
Yeah, give me your everything. Make you my everything. Yeah. Come wine for the thing. You are boss them hot.
Ready again.
Wine and go up on the thing. Time and go up on the thing. Girl. You want every man at sing. Time to get some of your loving. And get your body wet like the ocean. Me, yourself, your feet open. Wine for me in a slow motion. You use olive oil for your lotion. Girl, you what in a me real life, you what in a me dream. Me da put in a me bed and take you out the magazine. You are the cream of the cup in the scene. You are me African queen. Girl, wine and one on the thing. Climb and one on the thing. One on the thing. You are my everything, girl. Give me your everything. I give you my everything, girl. Just one to your thing. You are boss me happy, girl. Hey. Everywhere me go, you see every man attack. You are the light, not the deepest star. Wine make them a sleepless star. Them a touch skin, but are you a star? Jamaican girl, me together.
Well, you know what I want for all the youths when they are right now. Ladies, remember this.
No girl, can't give me no go chat. Them don't know so me straight, no dog, me no cat. No man, can't press me, give me no chat. Boy, mo and bone, me wicked, so me fish take me back. Can't give me no two-piece. Me nanny, I'm not me rather go and kiss the breeze.
I'm going to say to it earlier, DJ Killa, your Edgar movements.
Follow me now, where we gonna dance all again. Dance all again, up and up and a hip hop. We now follow them, we gonna dance all again. Dance all again, and whenever people love the music, we big up all again. Dance all again, dance all again. Rap and a hip hop, but we now follow them, we gonna dance all again. Dance all again, none of the massive love the music, big up all again. It's a dance all again, everybody bust a blank. Everybody bust a dance all skank, dance all. Now the rhyme, Urubant and Shabaran. Who remember upon the river, who remember upon the band, Saga like Real Rock, Apple Seed and Giggy. But enough of them are rap like Tupac and Biggie. New York, represented by Jay-Z and Diddy. But I represent Kingston City. Over dance all again, dance all again. Rap and a hip hop, but we now follow them. We never dance all again, dance all again.
But New York,
we know what I'm saying. Yes, road, we are just loving here.
New York,
we know big blood, black bread. No, me no running from peace.
hold on there. Which one? Oh, you want to come right answer? Alright, hold on. I'm going to pull out my computer a little bit. It'll come out. Oh, I'm going to take out my one. Alright, let us move my one out of time way. No, man, my one cut off, and I like how I move it. Set that thing right there. So, you think ready? Yeah. Because I want a smooth play too, you know. Because smooth say, boy, Killa, you play out the tune them. So, more on smooth play. Because when smooth play, me I go come play. And then smooth I go play again. And then me I go play again. And then smooth I go play. Me I go run out a tune. That me I tell you. Me I go run out a tune. Set up a thing. Our family, man. Respect and our manners. You ready? No, man. That's how you should set it and do my thing. Yeah. Head gone to the fullest. You see me I say, don't forget support the bar. Don't forget support the bar. You see me I say, so the man outside of the food, support the food, man. Yes, because we are going to smoke, because we are going to drink, because we are going to hungry when we are leave. So I want some jerk chicken and some white rice. You see me I say? Yes, straight to the fullest. Ladies, want to make sure you don't get on diet tonight, you know. Tonight is not a diet night. So make sure you know so before you leave and have on the rice and the jerk chicken. You see me I say? And them have soap. So make sure you know so you drink whole heap of that. Burn off the fat on the inside you eat good. That means your morning you wake up you feel fit. And you can wine for your man and make your man feel good. So him now go left you and go to matey. Right? So all of the ladies, them just make sure they want to drink up the food and eat up the soup or whatever it is. Eat or drink, whatever the shit is. You know, we'll just enjoy the night. Because we not leave till way in the morning, 8:30. Some girl in here and them stairs, so I look on the food and say them no want on. Wait till them go my hungry like them. No, Coney Island is not here. They have Popeyes. And you don't want to fry food this time of morning. You don't want to fry food this time of morning. You want to cook food. So make sure food good, though. Yeah, man, the food right. Yeah, right. Food right. Come eat all the plate of me on my next one. Bartender there too. Support the bar. Respect to all of the hosts them. Yeah. Are you that smooth? You ready now? Ready. All right.
Whoa. We are gonna play some tune to start up the party.
Shout out to everybody that came out tonight. Shout out to my nigga Shaw.
I'm not telling a lie. Me tell you the truth. You're sexy. She's sexy. Me not telling a lie. She's a sexy girl. And I love that. I love that. Sexy lady. And she play music. None of them can play music, you know. Big up to the ladies them who can play music too. You don't have CD on the house. You don't have a PlayStation. You don't put on the CD and select on the own song though. So you don't know if I play music to do. Right? Alright. Big up to Natural. Yes, I may say straight to the fullest. But I'm going to drop the one here. Because the female selector. So I'm going to drop this one for the ladies. For the ladies. Easy Natural from Lincoln and Troy. All my ladies who there tonight, remember this. Level, you want to hear when I play that song there? He's a platinum star. Straight. It's the first time I'm knowing the guy that who is platinum star. My brother always tell me about platinum star. Anna Manners. It's the first time I meet the man in person. Anna Manners. Yes, sir? Respect to the fullest. Alright. So the one name Adonia. And I'm playing it in Brooklyn. I'm playing it in Brooklyn. And this is all courtesy Ed Gone. Listen. Ladies. I used to try to say she's a sexy lady. She don't want a punk. You know what kind of youth she are? Killa now pop down for now. Play it again, New York. Killa up on him second round. Watch a second round. New York. Got the platinum, get. Hey. Star boy. Star boy. I'ma say all the man who there tonight who glad say have a woman in their life. If you're glad to have a woman in your life, New York! New York! New York! All of the men that go for a woman in your life, New York! New York!
We not care who some more love, but I'm not man for way from a baby X that one for shame. New York! New York! New York! New York! No boy can't. Hey Neil, this one of every user.
That's why my name Killa. I'm well on, man. Second round, 15 minutes.
Yo, we not care who some more love, but I'm not man for way from a baby X that one for shame. You the woman they make us and I pray. When after boy can flat one for me, no boy can't ramp with man like how them play with them cats. No boy can't them on not. Boy can't try me.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Rewind it. Edgar movement. That's what I say. For everybody there, you may say, I mean him Edgar. You see it? I always say, I love to be an activist. I see them call it like Al Sharpton. You see me I say? I'm not sure if this is the right time to say it, but I just have a small message. Because here I know, the whole of it there, you see me I say, well, young black youths there, are there party. You see it? Everybody have a good time? If you have a good time, say something. Say something if you have a good time. Alright, you may say. On a serious note. Quiet now. Quiet like 1 minute. Just keep quiet for 1 minute. So you may say. I mean him Edgar and just give you know a little words. You see me I say, make all I talk to them know say, I come from Jamaica. I'm there, I drive around New York. I hear what? It's when I drive around a Chinese neighborhood. Be a Chinese business, me see. Chinese bank and Chinese stores and Chinese everything. It's when I drive around the Jew neighborhood them. Be a Jew hospital and Jew bank and Jew store and Jew everything. Grocery store and corner store, everything. Jew cab service, everything. When I drive around the Indian store, I see Indian hospital, Indian corner store, Indian grocery store, Indian everything. But you say I drive around the black neighborhood, I'll be a Chinese me see in there, I'll be a Jews and be a rare. You see me I say no black man I want nothing. So you may say, I heard the advice. Youths, on the day, on the American, me a Jamaican, on have more advantage than me. Right now, them can't dip me. Them can't say, oh, Edgar, fuck off, you have a green card, go your blood clot yard. On the American, I want to know, look into yourself and say, yo, looking at the neighborhood, and I want to step it up. Only can deal with the gang thing under the quiet. That's nothing. Everybody can be a bad man. But I say enough of a bad man. Because I come from Jamaica, I grew up, I be a bad man there. Only can be a bad man, but think about the neighborhood and try uplift it. Get some corner stores and some bank and some whatever it is. Go to the bank and tell them so they want a loan. And get some money and start some business. Alright? So we say, yo, black people, unite, no fight. Every time them say black man, if you notice, if a group of black youth, there's somewhere and police are pass, they want to stop and check everybody because they feel like say black people not for unite. So may I say, so just think positive and try uplift on yourself, alright? So enjoy yourself and we're there till the sun come out because we are going to enjoy ourselves. You see it? Me and my brother and Ray. And tomorrow we're there again because we say, yo, black people can't do it. So tomorrow we're there again, alright?
Alright, a real talk, youth and youth, upliftment forever. Yes, so may I say, always stay positive in whatever you do. If it's a DJ, don't give up, keep on DJing. If it's a singer, keep on singing. If it's a dancer, don't stop dance, because dance is never stop. Yes, so may I say, so I want to reach out to all the youth that out there tonight who have a woman in your life. When you're ready again, let it go. When you're ready again.
Yo, New York, I say upliftment for all youth and youth. Remember this. New York! New York!
We not care who some more love, but I'm not man for way. Mama, baby, X that one for shame. You the woman, they make us and that man we pray. When after boy can fly.
New York!
No boy can't ramp with man like how them play with them cats.
Level. But you know, say you now go give up your rights because of what?
Smooth. You see 11 on my depon and a second round. Just imagine when I reach third round. You're not on a tune left. Hey! New York! Level! Yeah, some girl can't come out to the man because the man enough for them. All the woman who have your own man. New York! Baby! Level. All right, Buju Banton fans them are in here. Put up 5 finger for your DJ. Put up 5 finger for your DJ. Run on! Hey, hey, hey! Smooth, my son, reach third one and on a tune. I'm virgin though. Any Bounty Killer fans in here, put up the bounty on, put up the bounty on, put up the bounty on. Alright, Buju Banton. Think all into the Bounty Killer. Real tune. Yes, so the next tune I'm going to play, although we are dancer, we love woman. So when I will leave, yes, so we'll go finish sweat out power woman. All the man who agree say yes. All the man who agree, so when they leave, you say you finish sweat out by your woman in your yard, say yes. Say yes. Say yes.
Oh, what a night.
Say yes.
What a night.
Say yes.
What a night. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my...
Yeah, man. I would say, yo, this is a segment if you're there. I see a girl where like from all night. This is a segment say, hold on, go and get her some wine. You see me, I say, well, there, Edgar movement.
I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song.
Feel good, feel good.
I feel good, cause your perfume isn't flat, and only I can talk about.
Feel good. A woman will say, no. I feel like heaven ramming over my skin level. Once the man them who know say, on no love for the woman, on no feel apart, pum pum, when they're ready, put up on the 5 finger. Yo, baby.
Anytime you need a lover, call on me. All my ladies now. Cure again. Yeah. Anytime you need a lover,
call on me, baby.
I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is aching.
For the man them leave and gone to jail. And when them gone to jail, guess what them gone to jail for? Them gone to jail for beat up them girl. No one next man out there wine pan it. Hear me in there.
Yeah, I'm missing you.
You Wednesday?
Talk to you, but it's not the same
as
touching you. Every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to you.
You can't have a drink them outside here. You can't have a drink outside, okay? Support the bar, man. Support the bar. Support the bar. Come on. Support the bar. Support the bar, New York. Support the bar, New York. Baby, cause I'm turning and say, easy Lincoln and try. All youths, big up. New York.
Only you can make me feel
New York.
just like a cake. Love you give to me, sorry. Makes me give it.
New York.
Hurt just like magic to see your love.
Me have bad sound. A bad sound me have. That's why my name Killa. Big up to the ladies them there tonight who know son of pum pum in the world $2. Boy, I have a chat about nothing.
Only you can make
all the ladies who know son of there tonight.
Like a game.
Who don't have no own money. Who don't spend no own money. They do no own nails and toenails. Ladies.
Hurt just like magic to see your love.
Keep pulling me.
If it's a battle, let it fight for you.
What on the
I have to win to prove to you my love. So deep within, it's 7 years and deeper since I really been longing for.
What I'm saying?
My baby to love me more.
What am I longing for? I am in.
Babylon release.
Baby.
What am I longing for? My baby to love me more. What am I longing for?
Baby. What I'm saying? 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 Hey, can we see each other again? Yo, 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 yo!
Natural beauty, you know.
Yo, yo!
No, I've never been someone shy until I seen your eyes.
All the man them who have a woman say yes. All the man them who have a woman say yes. All the woman them who know son of pussy good say yes.
A man is supposed to. You'll never have to cry.
Well,
no.
Hey.
I know everyone
can relate
to when they find a special someone.
Why? She's.
Yeah.
So. And I want her in my life.
Yeah. Yeah.
New York. New York. New York.
I've got a call today, knowing that this girl will come my way.
Hey.
Yeah.
And that's why my name Killa. Me no ramp with the situation. Love music like how I love my mother.
I've got a call today, knowing that this girl will come my way. Today, my life I hope.
But you know what? Nothing for see black you unite together and live in one unity. New York!
I love to see my people living in love. I hate to see them fight
and them swimming in blood. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Hey. Run for the saga. DJ Killa, Mad Cross, Angry. Bounty Killa, my DJ, big up. Derek Harry Large. Yo! I love to see my people
living in love. I hate to see them
fight
and them swimming in blood.
Hold on, man.
Neglect the farming the mud. They wanna be the dirt to read the food. The earth it is in church and poorhouse. Love the rum bar
and they make the poorhouse.
Now take the microchip and over. Let food more shout and
New York!
Rasta tell them all the wine.
But you know Rasta tell them
rise and never fall. Tell them say boom. What they gonna do?
You know Rasta tell them.
You know Rasta tell them get slow. Who do you think you are?
Hold on, man.
Justice for all.
Yes.
Rise and never fall.
Second round.
What they gonna do?
Second round.
When enough for them the truth. Say what they gonna do?
Hallelujah.
Who do you think you are? We're living in a small world. As wicked as you think you are, we're living in a small world. As bad as you think you are, we're living see all those wicked men and the fire getting back. That day will come when they will try to escape and there will be nowhere to run. That day will come.
Level. Now I got juggle again, you know. But me have to play upon the level a little bit. All of the Cape Town fans them in here. If you don't have no lighter, put up your hand. Put up your hand if you don't have a lighter. Put up your hand, New York. Put up your hand. Yeah!
So when I found them evil concept come here, that is a destruction to the humanity. That's what I say. What do I say now? Yeah! Check this.
Edgar, you never tell them. You never tell them. You never tell them. I say all real youths put up on the hand. All real youths put up on the hand. New York!
Check this. Jaja City, Jaja Town, them off it on it in a cowboy town. You can know. Jaja City, Jaja Town, them off it on it in a dead man town.
New York!
You can know. Mr. John Conchak of John Brown. We now no more than in a town. Mr. Happy Gospel of Kitty got happy out.
We no want no more dead body.
Well, Mr. Joe kill quick. We don't want no more hit. We don't want no more.
Level. Me not gonna lie. Culture is the way. Sometimes you have to pay attention. You burn your weed and meditate and give you upliftment and you think on a smart level. All of the real youth them in a New York tonight who know say you're real.
Tell you about black man supremacy.
Bombo class, Sizzler again. Sizzler again. New York. New York. New York.
You're still taking what's not yours. Greedy though you got more.
Easy. Drop it again. Drop it again. Drop it again. Drop it again. Yo, New York, if you know saying a bad mind, your heart clean. What? Hey.
You're still taking what's not yours. Greedy though you got more. Switching on me now, snitching on me now. Picking up dirty attitudes. What's your future then?
Hold on a moment.
Now you lurk on every corner, trying to make $1 from them quarters. Thought you were my friend, give an helping hand.
New York.
Enemy, you can't even.
New York.
I've got to take.
I'm not telling a lie. You see, next tune reaching out to all the youths who have a mother and love her. Because some boy disrespect their mother. My mother passed away around 3 years now. I'm still love her with all of my heart. And anything is anything when it comes to your mother. All youth and youth who know say love your mother. Put up your hand one time for your mother. Put up your hand one time for your mother.
Hey mama. Hi mama. For my mama. For mama don't cry.
A real thing. DJ Killa, Edgar, same mother, same father. Cooler.
The mothers in the world.
Cool up on a Saturday night. What was it? Yo, out that. Get rid of that. Fast. Get rid of it. Out it. Quick. Out it. Pause it. Alright, here I know. That means here. That means there's no smoking under the tent. If you want to smoke, go outside the tent. If you want to smoke, go outside the tent. If you light up a lighter, hold it by your shoulder. So you don't say, nah, catch none of the wedding thing them. You know what I say? Them things are pretty like when you have a wedding and them thing there. Hold it by your shoulder. So you don't say it's safe. Alright? Run the tune killer. Mama tune. I don't mind if you love the mother. Light up by your shoulder. I don't mind if you love the mother. Run it.
Hey mama.
Run it.
Hi mama. For my.
The man them want burn down the place to us. And the first time we are coming here.
Gonna give you back.
Hush, my brother. Here me the road out. Don't burn it down. When you're not lighting a lighter, just keep it away, yeah? Me no want the people. No, man. Hold on. No man. Here one of rodeos. And our manners. So really, see it's so easy to catch. We want to come here next week and we want to come here tomorrow. So don't burn it down here. Keep the lighter right on the side here. Shoulder height, please. We don't want them say, well, we can't burn the weed in the car. We want to burn the weed. See? Yeah, man. So all you who know say you love your mother, I want you to put up your hand. Do not light your lighter. Put up your hand, please.
Hey, mama. Hi, mama.
Yo, New York!
Oh, mama, don't cry.
And that's why my name Killa, you know.
New
York!
But I know why you kill all the black people, man. I couldn't kill all the Jews, please.
No.
New York! Sometimes just the way things are to be, yeah. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and stuff. No one knows the pressure you bear, just only you. Give you all my love, oh yeah. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. No one knows.
All who love your mother know say now disrespect her. Yo, New York. New York.
Mama, I will never let you down. I'll never go away.
I'll always be around.
You know why you do it, such love that you found. I'm always gonna let you wear that crown.
Boy, you see so I love my mother. Me have to drop the one here. New York!
Mama.
Four to go before the next zone. DJ Smooth.
Everybody love their money.
Since I was one, so listen to my mother alone, with the responsibility in her hand. She said it had to be.
If you know reggae music,
she wanted to go like.
we're there.
And now I've got to think well.
3 to go before DJ Smoke.
Oh, mama, I love you.
Red Gun Movement.
And I know you love me too. Oh, mama, won't make you blue. I wish that every mother was as sweet as you are. I know you're my shining star.
I see sometimes some people bad mind you.
Oh, mama.
One thing more I say when you have some haters around you. You know what you say? What more you say?
Here I come again.
What more you say when you have some haters?
For your presence.
When some people are bad minded, they know why you say uplift.
Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from.
Father, show us the way to go.
You said I must love and feed my enemy. I'm gonna do it. You said I shouldn't hate or grudge, and I won't, not even for a minute. Let only truth come.
Pull it up. Let me say one more time. More time you have some people, them bad mind you. What you have some people bad mind you. Them see you have your little group. You have a group and thing on a floss on a bike car and them thing there. Don't be like that. You see me I say have some people that eat on you. Don't stress them. Just go through and do the thing. Run the thing, Killa.
Here I come again, Jaja. Before your presence we singing.
Sell down bar.
Over shoulders to
Sell it down. Mr. Eva McGuinness. I'm Red Bull.
let's not forget where we're from. Father, show us the way to go. You said I must love and feed my enemies, and I'm gonna do it. You said I shouldn't hate or grudge, and I won't, not even for a minute. Let only truth come from my lips. Bless our souls, cause without you we can't make it. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight.
Show us the way to go. Alright, come in.
Baby, don't worry. Don't worry. Oh no.
Alright. Big up to the lady. She come and do her thing. You don't notice how my voice sound that's different. That's total different. No. Alright. So here one up. We have a party. The lady says she not sell no liquor. We'll come out and we dance. So if you dance, you're supposed to thirsty. So you're supposed to thirsty. You're supposed to be able to spend some money and buy a drink. All of the money we're there right now. We're going to party a little bit. And they will say yes. Ray, cause you don't know it got all the way late, you know. You see me I say? So, Ray, you know, support the boy till we're ready for go away. See? So, I see the dancers, them, they are same way. So, I'm going to drop that tune for the dancers, them. I want to roll out and spend some money. So, that means that tomorrow or whenever we come again, we're nice. See, so that one here, for the dancers. May I start my third round, the fourth round is. Dancers. Dancers. Dancers.
She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene.
Dancers.
Yeah, don't mind, but do you mean
I am the one. Hey, 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 for the dance. On the floor, in around.
And I am the one.
Dancers. Dancers. Experience selector, my bad, that's how you go. Hey!
Walk further down the street with the people way down low.
New York!
Ain't no sound with the sound of
Easy, pretty P.
ready to go.
Like that.
Are you ready?
That dear thing. Respect and our manners, lady.
Did you see? Out of the way to book.
We back again, yeah? We back again. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Another one, bam, dance. Boom, boom, bam, boom, boom, bam.
Another one, bam.
Let me walk out dancers.
Another one down, another one down. Another one
Walk
down.
out dancers. Walk out dancers. And some stay natural about DJ Killa. Yo!
Last night a DJ saved my life.
Hold on, man.
Last night a DJ saved my life.
Baby.
Cause I was sitting there bored to death. And then just one breath he said, you gotta get,
Easy, pretty P.
you gotta get.
Look good, man. I lie straight up from my heart. And our manners. Yeah, man. Respect and our manners. Yeah.
You got to turn into another man.
DJ Killa day in the building.
Called you on the phone, no one's home.
All the ladies who know you took a bath before you come out tonight.
Say I started to my beat. Say I got
All the ladies who took a bath before you come out tonight.
in my voice leave. We got to do this.
Ladies.
Bitch, I'm wild. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg.
Edgar, I tell you all the while, you see me heart.
I got my G star voice with me, D.
Yo, New York.
In my voice leave. We got to do this.
New York.
Bitch, I'm wild. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg.
Hold on, man.
Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg.
Hold on, man.
Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. When I hit the dance floor, I be do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg.
Hold on.
When I hit the dance floor, you know
Hey.
I'm doing the stanky leg.
Hey.
South
Hey.
submarine gang,
Hey.
you rubber across
Hey.
your head. Do a
All
eight,
real
boom, boom, kick.
dancers.
You can do it too.
All real dancers. All real dancers. You still me keep on the dancing. Or you notice that? All the real dancers. Real dancers. Real dancers. Hey, hey, hey.
The pimps in the crib,
Hey,
drop it
hey,
like a top,
hey,
drop it
hey,
like a top,
hey,
drop it
hey,
like a top.
hey. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Hey, Ricky, hey. Yo, New York, yo, New York, New York.
When the pimp's in the crib, mom,
Hey.
drop it like it's hot,
Hey.
drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you,
Park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot, park it like it's
And
hot.
if a get an attitude, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot.
Yo, New York.
I got the rolling,
DJ Killa, head movements live, Matic loaded.
got it going on.
Boom, boom.
I'm a nice
Dude, with the ice cream.
See these ice cubes, see these
Uh-huh.
ice creams, eligible bachelor.
Big up to all the dancers, they may dance long time.
All them there, we
we all them dead is dead. All them dead, we all them dead is dead.
Hey, drop it from top, drop it from top, drop it from top, drop it from top.
Hey, so what am I saying, okay? We all them dead today.
New York!
Allah, yo, sit down, hold on.
Give me the bounce, give me the bounce, give me the bounce, give me the bounce, give me the bounce.
All them dead, we all them dead is dead. All them dead, we all them dead is dead. All them dead, we all them dead is dead. Come and run off them out like them think of yesterday. All them dead, we all them dead is dead. All them dead, we all them dead is dead. All them dead, we all them dead is dead.
Hey, all over the key, put up the key, put up the key.
You ready?
Hey, hey,
you ready?
Hey, hey,
you ready?
Come on,
come here.
Again!
What am I saying, okay? We all them dead today. They're not saying Allah, yo, sit down, hold on.
Again! New York, New York, New York!
All them dead, we all them dead is dead. All them dead, we all them dead is dead. All them dead, we all them dead is dead. Come and run off them out like them think of you. All them dead, we all them dead is dead. All them dead, we all them dead is dead. All them.
Give me bongs, 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 give me bongs.
Hey, you ready?
Hey,
me ready.
Hey, hey,
you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Come here,
straight, ready, ready, not a lean, ready, ready, not a
bong, not a junk, not a eat, ready, ready. You ready? Yeah, me ready. You ready? Yeah, me ready. Not a curve, not a bend, not a eat, ready.
Hold on,
you ready? Yeah, me ready. You ready? Yeah, me ready.
New Year, New Year. New Year. New Year, New Year, New Year.
See the key there. See the key there. See the key there. Cook them up now. See the key there. Lock them up now. See the dance. I see I do the willy go. See the dance.
I see I do the willy go.
See the key there. Lock them up now. See the key there. Lock them up.
Where's it true on New York with that?
Eh, them a talk about kick it off.
Where's it true on New York with that? Yes, it's true on New York with that.
Them all a talk about Cookie Monster.
When a puma. Them there. We don't show a call, and we don't call for. If we call for them, cuff them up.
New York!
Them all are singing and them tunes say, bow them come from New York, New York. You never tell nobody say, oh them black on your blood clot, your blood clot. You all run off on the stage, and you are dance up here for. So when you see the roses through, you just stay for a part.
New York!
Rastafari, it is good to give thanks unto the Most High King Selassie and sing praise unto his name.
New York!
Rastafari to go forth his loving kindness in the morning and the faithfulness of the night upon an instrument of 10 strings. Alright,
New York!
To them king.
New York!
Collect to love you.
New York!
Rastaman don't apologize to nobody, boy. If you're this King Selassie, I'm a gunshot, your boy. Never do one of the girls that can't let them have the joy. And the lake of fire, me that's your boy. Man.
Everybody know the game don't stop. Tryna make it to the top, or your ass get popped now. If you a rider.
6 more minutes, man. All right. Hey, hey.
I can't sleep. We're living in hell. Give us the work and then throw us in jail. Road trip, I'm trafficking the white. Please, Lord, don't let me go to jail tonight. Who me? I'm a soul survivor. Ask about him in the street. The boy G's a rider.
Hey.
100 grand on my wrist. Yeah, lights up. Fuck the club, dog. I'd rather count $1 million bucks.
All real ghetto youth. New York. New York. New York.
I remember those days when hell was my home. When me and mama bed was a big piece of fun. And me never like paid and my ear never come. When mama gonna work me go street or round. I remember when Danny them get me snow cone and making me so bread and then kick up their room. I remember when we visit them with pure big stone. And this white and if I bow something well chrome. I remember when we run but I get in me blown. And my best friend Richie get doing I'm down. I remember Sabi Avenue turn in a war zone. And Mikey mother fly out cause she get alone. But Mikey go to foreign and go turn Al Capone. One leap of money and send me no one. We just lost the city and that is well known. Them Mikey call me on the phone. Mr. Mikey, we got the kingdom. Them out of luck now. Me see 7 and the whole of them I don't know. We have one heap of extra cause we no broke now. Hey, we got the kingdom.
Level. Let me see real ghetto youth them. Let me see real ghetto youth them.
Now special dedication to all dogs of dogs, dedicated to all top dogs with the crew. Man called Tony Killa, the man called Robert.
Real ghetto youth, New York.
Sometimes some back and some of them are rally back. We a road boy, you tell me no take back. Now special dedication to all dogs of dogs, dedicated to all top dogs with the crew. Man called Tony Killa, the man called Robert, and while apart the riding show. Curfew! New York! Sometimes some back and some of them are rally back. We a road boy, you tell me no take back no chat. Sometimes some back and some of them are rally back, but we a road boy, you tell me no take back no chat. You full of big chat and can't defend that. If a jailhouse you come from, we sending you go back.
I must have respect and honor manners to all of the ghetto youths every day. You know why?
I'm a special dedication to all farmer, whether you live a sentence.
You know why?
Hey. That this is Mr. Cat, the bear back. Live a sentence, in a Nova. That this is Mr. Cat, the bear back rider. The style when me go get them go run Jamaica. And in a London, I'm in America. And in a Canada, I'm in a China. It name the Vinaya style, it's wicked and
let me see real ghetto youths them.
Are you? All respect.
Let me see real ghetto youths them. Real ghetto youths. Real ghetto youths. Real.
No respect, disrespect. In all aspects, someone don't know who they are.
Me only have 3 more tunes left. Fire though. Killa my name, I'm gonna ramp with it. Yo, let go.
Say I. All respect them eyes so good. Like a flag. Hear me now. Stop bounty.
Hey, no respect, disrespect. In all aspects, someone don't know who they might deal with.
Stop and check.
No respect,
disrespect. In all aspects, someone don't know who they might deal with. Stop.
Yo, New York.
How we can do no life for who don't know.
When you know what? Alright, level. From night minute in a tune for ladies them. Big up to the ladies from Trinidad. Big up to the ladies them who come from Trinidad. Big up all the Guyanese ladies them. Big up all the ladies them wherever you come from in a New York you're there. You see right now, ladies. Ladies.
Yo. To all the ladies in the stand. Each and every princess.
Ladies.
Yo, bless. I use all control and I see you standing there in front of me. Yo. Your style, your clothes, your hair, your clear woman, you look so sexy.
Ladies.
When you whine and when you dance and the way that you twist and turn your waist. Please me one thing, please me yearning, please me feeling.
Ladies.
Before the end of the night.
Ladies.
I wanna hold you so tight. You know I want you so much. And I'm so tempted to try.
Bust a wine. I say big up to all the ladies them. I don't want a man screw up them fears.
Hey, raise your hand. Hey, say your hand. Hey, raise your hand. There's a party up in the area.
Me don't want a man screw up them fears.
Busy, pussy getting chicky. The rhythm slamming. This is non-stop jamming. We planning to do this thing straight till morning. We felt in ways. Friends be in the place. My posse could run this thing straight till morning. Some people enjoying themselves tonight. Party time again. The vibe is right. A good weekend is what the posse like. Keep it tight. Food, drinks, and music, and we're alright. Go! Oh. Ladies, can you walk?
Ladies.
Alright.
Ladies.
Body na your pum pum. Body na your pum pum. Body na your pum pum. Girls, this is yours for the moment. Body na your pum pum. Body na your pum pum. Body na your pum pum. Girls, this is yours.
Baby.
Girl, come sit down, pump me body like chain, like a 6-shift. Girl, come change me gear.
Go there, Natty. Give her the radar correction. Natty. Give her the radar correction.
Body na your pum pum. Body na your pum pum. Body na your pum pum. Girls, this is yours for the moment. Body na your pum pum. Body na your pum pum.
Give her the radar correction.
Radar correction. Hey, girl, come sit down, pump me body like chain, like a 6-shift. Girl, come change me gear. Body in your pum pum, not in your rear.
Me say give her the radar correction. Watch ya, E-man. Jeez and peace. The brother walk out with a smile on him face. E-man. Respect to the ladies. They only have like 2 more songs here. Lady said, no, 2 more. Oh, don't notice so I keep on the dancing, though. Me keep on the dancing, though. Though. What you mean? Then I saw the thing go. A party we say, come for party, when I come for stand up and look around and support the bar. You see it? Yeah. Next time, DJ Killa. Big up to the ladies, them who have your money, your yard and wait for you. Big up to the man, them who have your woman and wait for you, your yard. 2 to go, you know. Hey.
She love how I'm moving me body when I sing.
Pack you.
You got to teach me, Mr. Trini, how to get that swing.
All the ladies who can wine. You can't wine and hold your man. Whoa.
Be out of sight, in front, under your bed. Stick to the law. No come, if you want to learn, I explain to her.
What?
5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. Come again. 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. She says she don't like it. We going too slow, so she want me walk up with it and raise the tempo. 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar.
I ain't saying I should have just turn and look when I say. Hold on, man. Yo, Damian, but I lie. You see left though. I say a 5 hour. Me alone play. 5 hour, 5 rounds straight.
Nanny wind up so. Nanny wind up so. Nanny wind up low. Nanny wind up low. Nanny wind up so. Nanny wind up so. Nanny wind up low. Nanny wind up low.
Level. I got 1 more tune left. And this tune, I gotta play this tune for all the youths. Where they leave 2 more, or may I play 2 more tune? That tune is for all the youths them who live in the city. Where they live across the border or wherever. You live in the city of Brooklyn. You live in New York City. I'm gonna play this one for you and all the ladies. This one goes out for you too. If you have a child, listen to that tune.
Oh na na. Yeah, na na na, yes.
All only for New York.
Yeah.
New York, New York, New York.
In the streets of getting hot, and the youth them I get soaked.
New York.
Oh na na.
1 to go.
Yeah, na na na.
Reach now to all youths and youths who are all the meditation in a bad mind, yeah, clean and live up time.
In the streets of getting hot, and the youth them I get so cold.
Hold on, man.
Searching for food for the pot, and they'll do anything to fill that gap. Lord, in the streets of getting hot, and the youth them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they'll do anything to fill that gap. As generation comes and grows, you got to make
you know what, next time
youth them grow.
I'm going one me have left, it now go fear.
The youth them have.
Next time I do it for you. Yeah man, next time. Trust me from my heart.
If education is the key,
but like how you look to me, tie that up here.
It's so expensive for we.
Give
them the key, or set them free.
Youths and youths upliftment.
Now this is the version of the rock nation with a solid vibration. You're not far from the station, so take out your out of the vacation.
New York!
Yeah, yeah, yeah!
No one ever can understand it.
New York!
The way the system plans. There's no hope, no chance, no loophole, no escape for a suffering.
New York! Hey!
I just the way that the Babylon planet. For right to fight each and everyone every day. I don't know about that little Satan boy. I need to tell me.
New York!
Illegal lead you astray.
Spin up! If you have a woman at home and she's waiting on you,
now clap your hands and stamp your feet. This happens to be a
grand finale. Girl Girlfriend, listen to this. So,
it's not that I don't love you.
Hold on, man.
You know how much I do.
Grand finale, you know.
And it's not that I found somebody.
Swell then.
Take the place of
Killa, my name, Vybz in the ramp with the machine.
But it's just the feel within me.
Big up Edgar, my brother. Big up the bartender.
My hand.
Yes, straight to the fullest, but not lie.
And the feel.
What you say? Big up to the people that make we use the thing for the night. Just see me I say. Berries. Alright, sir. Don't watch stuff here. I the owner says I want to hear a berries. Alright. You know how much I do.
And it's not that I found somebody to take the place of you.
Hold on, man.
But it's just the feel within me.
Reach now to all the man who have a woman. I love her.
When you touch
Some boy go and don't love them woman. Yeah. Yeah. Big up to my two kids. Javon and Tavon. One in Montreal. One all the way down there in Tennessee. Big up, love my son with all my heart.
So I'm leaving.
What you mean?
It's time I'm playing it.
Watch it, baby.
I'm gonna walk away from love.
And so walks away. When she go through the door, he just turn to her and say,
well, you can't go and make she tempt your berries. You must have to get her, you hear?
Yo, yo. Yo, baby.
Hey, little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch.
All right.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last song. I hope you come back again with your pocket full of money because you know this place costs money. Me no want to see the broke bucket people inside here. If your pocket broke, no come. Because we independent and we want little fun. That's why we do it. Big up to me manager anywhere. Head gone, you got to do a little better. Stop taking cheap people here with you. Because they're cheap.
But you know, ladies, all my ladies, remember, free until 2 o'clock tomorrow. Want to pimp some man, I make them buy some liquor. You see, so you don't know, one more to go until tomorrow again. It's a mess over there. Straight up. 10 to 6 o'clock. Run it, Killa. Edgar Movement. Edgar.net. Check it out.
Listen, darling.
And the owner say them want to hear it. Don't look at me. The owner say them want to hear it. Yo, New York!
Now who's gonna hold and squeeze my tie?
Hold on. Reach out to all the youths who have a woman and love her. Reach out to all the women who have your man and love him. Make you know this Sunday morning.
Now who's gonna hold and squeeze my tie?
Swell day.
Now that she's gone out.
Easy moment. We love your same way. We like the thing because you support her with it. Yeah, ratings. And our manners. The whole family. All the youths and youths will help with it, yeah.
It's overdue.
Put 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 it, yeah.